Okay, here in this attic. This attic's actually in a pretty good situation because it's already open quite a bit. It's already got 2x6s and 2x10s everywhere with these cross beams. So, and there's already electrical up here with receptacle, light. So they're coming tomorrow to blow foam insulation. So what we're going to do is just kind of put some electrical boxes and wiring, rough it in, just so it'll already be there before they spray the foam. But you can get an idea here of it's good space. This is going to help reduce the homeowner's cost quite a bit, so that in the winter be warmer, be more airtight, less drafts, and then in the summer, of course, it'll bring down the heat quite a bit once you seal that roof line. So then it could be usable space later down the road as well. But at least now we're going to get it prepped so that the light switches can turn on without having to use a temporary light. So we'll show you what it looks like tomorrow when we insulate. Okay, put some lights up there. Okay, just before the foam comes on this job, this, like I said, this one already has electricity. Just adding a couple outlets to this attic. It's roughed in. Then up here, give the option here. They can always put face plates on here if they don't want to have wire. But at least they'll have the option. You can see here, they're going to be sucking out all this insulation on down there. You guys are getting ready to vacuum out the old insulation. Got the machine ready to go. That's a little mini vacuum. Just kidding. Thing's a beast. So be good to go. Clips. Mucho, ¿ah? ¿Ah? Mucho.
Yeah, mucho. Cellulose.
Already feels different in here. All foamed up in there. can see now it's sprayed and the temperature up here is so much cooler. I mean, it's already working. It's unbelievable how much that changes the temperature.